Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change language on Ubisoft Connect. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Ubisoft application. After that, you just need to go and of course, if you're having struggles with that, you can go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Ubisoft videos where you can see how you can do that. But now let's see what we have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have, as you can see, your profile, home, library, store, and Ubisoft Plus. We have the download manager in the bottom left corner and the subscribe to Ubisoft Plus in the top right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change language on Ubisoft Connect. So first of all, open of course Ubisoft app on your PC as I told you and make sure that you're in online mode. You can check that by clicking here, then profile, and then here you can see your online status. Now click on the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu, then select settings. So when you're in settings, you here need to go and here, of course, find the language. Then select it, of course, put in your preferred language, click Save to apply changes. Your Ubisoft Connect interface should now be in language that you have, of course, went and selected from all the languages here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.